Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and this is Maggie. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching yoga for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad, and I make videos every Wednesday. If you want to learn more about body positivity, yoga, and just going with the flow, then definitely subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos as well. Today I've decided to let my boyfriend dye my really long hair. So let's see how that goes. My hair. And as you can see, it's quite pale and turquoise and blonde instead of bright colors. So in today's vlog, we're gonna do a little transformation to come back to galaxy hair. Let's go. Okay, so my boyfriend has dyed my hair in 4 different colors and blended them together really nicely, hopefully. Right now I have to let it all settle in. You can't see anything because it's hanging on my back. I'm not allowed to move right now. And in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out. Fingers crossed. Now that my hair is dry, you can really see the brightness of the colors and the beautiful faded ombre effect my boyfriend slash stylist created. I'm really happy about it. As you can see, it's super bright right now. Once it fades a little bit with every time I wash it, this will become more turquoise again, so I love that too. Have you ever dyed your hair before in bright colors? Actually, the first time I officially dyed my hair was when I got this done. So I never tried anything normal before, I just went for crazy colors right away. A little bit crazy, but I really enjoy it still, and it's been more than a year already. Let me know in the comments if you've ever dyed your hair before, if you've ever had mermaid or galaxy hair. I'd love to see it as well, if you can put a little photo or send it to me in my DMs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you prefer to see more classes or tutorials instead of vlogs, definitely let me know below as well so that I can adjust to that. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.